Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we are installing our custom no-body drill Gatorback front mud flaps on a 2020 GMC Sierra HD. These mud flaps are a great way to protect and improve the overall look of your vehicle. Remember, this video is to be used as a companion to the included installation instructions. As well, please note that these flaps are designed to be used with your truck's factory protectors and cannot be used with GM's factory mud flaps. With all that out of the way, let's get started. To start, take a supplied custom clip and position it onto the top hole of the flap. Ensure the metal tab on the clip slides into the corresponding hole on the flap. Once the clip is in place a nylon washer onto the back of the clip, then loosely secure everything in place using a flat washer and cap screw. Next, remove and discard the 3 factory screws on the protector. Now we will attach our flap to the vehicle's wheel well. We will start with the inside hole. Loosely attach your flap to this hole using a supplied machine screw and flat washer. Once this part of the flap is in position, we will attach our mount clip behind the fender molding. Here's an example of how to attach the clip. Using the same assembly as the inside hole, loosely secure the remaining holes on the flap. With a square or other leveling tool, make sure the mud flap is level. We also recommend you take a step back and visually gauge the mud flap to check that it is aligned correctly. Once your flap is level, secure all fasteners. Congratulations! You've just finished installing your Gatorback mud flaps. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.